Hi, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to install any Python package in Google Colab. If you don't know Google Colab, I don't think so because you're here in this video. For sure you know it, but if you don't, so it is a place that you can run your Python code, but also machine learning and stuff without installing anything in your machine or in your computer. And it's so good, especially if your computer is not that powerful as mine. So let's see, let me give you some examples of packages that we can install. So you can come here to this blog. I will put the link in the description box. So here you can find a lot and a lot of packages that you need to know. So for example, if you want to upgrade your peep, even you will just pip install upgrade peep. And for example, let's say you need some packages for data science, numerical computing, and stuff like, for example, NumPy. So the easy way is just copy this. But look, if you will just paste it here and do this, it will not work because in Colab we need to put this. Okay, maybe it will work. Let's see. Okay, it's working. I think they updated something or whatever. But if it didn't work, just do this, the exclamation mark, it is it, yeah, I think it is, and then just do this. Okay, and it will be installed anyways. Look, because here, as you can see, there is how to say it, is it orthography issue or whatever. So like this, everything will be installed without any issues, but both of them are working. So if you want sorry, pandas, you will do the same thing. Just come here and copy paste it, and don't forget to put the exclamation mark and then run. By the way, you can run clicking on this button, or you can click on shift and enter, and it will work also, or it will run. So here, as you can see, you have a lot and a lot of packages like for visualization. By the way, we will talk about each in a split it videos, because I want to talk about it deeply. So for example, for matplotlib, you will just do the same thing, which is pasting this or copying this exclamation mark and then shift enter, and everything will be satisfyingly installed. That's it for this video. I hope you like it, and also I hope that you got what you want. And bye bye, don't forget to put a like. Bye bye.